if you have a purpose for which to live for, circumstances in life will throw you off balance. And there is no power on this planet which can stop you from being temporarily disturbed and agitated. Whatever skill you may have, whatever technique you may follow, you have to get disturbed, we have to get affected. But if you are clear that this is going to be my destination, this is going to be my journey, however much disturbance may be there in the journey, I will not leave the highway at any cost and will only rest when I reach the destination. And that in essence is the message of Ramayana. And that is what Krishna calls in Bhagavad Gita as yoga or connection. So when you are on the path of yoga, whether it is Ashtanga yoga or Bhakti yoga or any other yoga, you are beginning your journey of connecting with a superior purpose. Because what's the point of driving smoothly when you have nothing in the GPS to take you to? So therefore, maintaining life's balance is all about entering the right destination in the GPS. So that even if the journey is temporarily affected, sometimes it may slow down, sometimes it may be a bumpy ride, sometimes there may be a short accident, but as long as the GPS carries your destination, you will ultimately manage to reach that destination with the proper inspiration, with the proper support, with the proper association. And that is the essence of satsanga, the association of devotee which inspires us to move on in this journey and inspires us not to give up our efforts to reach the destination in spite of all kinds of difficulties and challenges. And so we look back into the pages of Ramayana and see such characters who were so powerful, so divine, but their lives went through so many challenges and ups and downs, and they continued on in the journey till we have the darshan of Sri Sri Radha Gopinath Ji, and the journey comes to a success.